Ever wondered how different types of electric cookers work? In the next few minutes, we'll embark on an electrifying journey, exploring the variety of electric cookers available today. From those that can heat food in any solid jar or bowl to those that work exclusively with steel, each has its unique functionality. And yes, we'll also touch upon those intriguing cookers whose surfaces remain cool to the touch, even while cooking. So gear up and stay tuned as we dive into the world of electric cookers. Electric cookers have revolutionized the way we cook, offering convenience and efficiency. Let's delve into the fascinating world of these culinary game changers. First off, we have induction cookers. These smart devices use magnetic fields to heat your cookware directly rather than heating the cooking surface. This not only makes them incredibly energy efficient, but it also means the cooking surface remains cool to touch, perfect for those of us prone to accidental burns. Next up are electric pressure cookers. These marvels of modern cooking technology use a sealed pot and steam pressure to cook food quickly while retaining nutrients and flavor. They're a time-saving godsend for busy households. Then we have slow cookers, also known as crock-pots. These cookers maintain a low temperature over several hours, perfect for tenderizing meat and developing rich flavors in stews, soups, and casseroles. Just set it and forget it. Last but not least, we have the humble rice cooker. These appliances use a thermostat to maintain a steady temperature and cook rice to perfection every time. Some models even come with settings for different types of grains, making them a versatile addition to any kitchen. However, it's important to note that some cookers require specific cookware. For instance, induction cookers work best with magnetic cookware like cast iron or stainless steel, while others can heat food in any solid jar or bowl. Choosing the right electric cooker depends on your cooking needs and preferences. But how do these cookers work their magic? Well, at the heart of an electric cooker is a concept known as resistance heating. When an electric current is passed through a high-resistance coil or heating element, it generates heat. This heat is then transferred to the cookware placed on the cooker. Now let's delve a bit deeper into the science of it. Electric cookers work on the principle of induction or thermal conduction. Induction cookers use an electromagnetic field to induce a magnetic flux, which generates heat in the cooking vessel. This is why only ferromagnetic materials like steel work on induction cookers. On the other hand, thermal conduction relies on direct contact between the heating element and the cooking vessel. This is why some cookers can heat any solid jar or bowl as long as it is in direct contact with the heating element. But you may wonder, how does the surface of the cooker remain cool to touch? This is where the science gets even more fascinating. Certain types of electric cookers, like induction cookers, only heat the cooking vessel and not the cooktop itself. The electromagnetic field directly heats the pot, leaving the cooktop relatively cool. So the magic of electric cookers isn't magic at all, but a marvel of modern science and engineering. Understanding these mechanisms can help you make the most out of your electric cooker. So we've covered quite a bit about electric cookers today. We've journeyed through the fascinating world of electric cookers, exploring the myriad types available in the market. From induction cookers that use magnetic fields to infrared cookers that utilize light energy, and electric coil cookers that generate heat through resistance, the variety is astonishing. We've delved into the science behind these cookers. We've seen how each type has its unique mechanism. Induction cookers, for instance, heat food through magnetic induction, a process that directly heats the pot, leaving the surface cool to the touch. In contrast, electric coil cookers work by converting electric energy to heat energy, heating the coil, which in turn heats the pot. We've also discussed how some cookers are versatile, capable of heating food in any solid container, while others require specific pots, such as steel for induction cookers. This is due to the differing physical principles they employ. And let's not forget about the infrared cookers that utilize the principle of radiation. These cookers emit infrared rays that can penetrate food, heating it from the inside out, a feature that makes them perfect for grilling and roasting. Remember, the right electric cooker can be a game changer in your kitchen, making cooking a breeze, so choose wisely.